Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a milkshake. Let's show you. First, we're going to chop some strawberries, one at a time. Okay. I'll do two at a time.
One popped out. That one's flying. Damn.
Don't need to show them.
That was me.
Okay. Now next, we add the milk in. Okay. And make sure you at least eat one strawberry. Okay. Now we'll add some strawberries. Okay. Banana, please. Yeah, my sister likes eating the strawberries, so you may see a little bit of it. And now we're going to get some blueberries. Get a few blueberries in your hands.
You need to also wash the blueberries.
Next, we're going to dump the blueberries, but not like a royal chicken. And next, we'll add a few raspberries. A few of them.
You don't have to add them.
You may add a few only if you want raspberries.
And I'm gonna still keep eating.
Now you may add the sugar.
I got a sour blueberry.
2 scoops. I'll add one less one. Now we're going to blend it up. Now start with the medium. Turn it on the. And then add smoothie. We turn it off. Now it's finished, so now we can pour it. Make sure you stain it. What meal for Mom?
Get that part out.
And that's how you make a milkshake. Bye!
It is so delicious. And I got this from school. It's pretty cute. It's a koala. I named it Cookie. Bye, like and subscribe.